Don't eat the fruit the day you plant the seed. Impatience is killing your financial future because you want mango results from the first minute of planting. Let's be real, every farmer knows you don't plant corn today and eat corn tomorrow. But in finances, we want quick returns. We want to invest 10,000 naira today and cash out 1 million naira next week. That's not investment, that's gambling. Real financial freedom is slow, steady, consistent. Start now. Let time work its magic. Compound interest is like sunlight, it works only over time. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or esusu, just keep planting and wait your season. Be patient. Wealth grows like a tree, not like popcorn. If you enjoy this video, subscribe to our channel for more. Turn your naira today into wealth tomorrow. Moloney Street Re. Build your financial future one step at a time.